Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. It's Wednesday, May 19th. We got the Dow Jones down 500 points. We got the NASDAQ down 200 points already. But once again, all of the action seems to be in the cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies are coming down. They're coming down fast and hard. A lot of the exchanges, now this is where you get into trouble. A lot of the exchanges have already crashed. Okay. And some of the exchanges are not allowing you to get your money back. That's what's happening in the crypto market. Okay, you can't get your money out. You can't sell your Ethereum and take your money off. Now, a lot of people think I'm crazy. I'm an old guy. I like gold still. Gold, if I hold it, I don't need to worry about getting my money out from the exchanges. But is this the big crash? No, it's not the big crash. Yeah, it's an opportunity. All crashes are opportunities. Now, how low will we go? That is the question. That's what we're going to talk about here. I'm going to show you what I did today. Now, once again, I'm a gambler. I'm a stock market gambler. You do what you want to do. But what I did today, I'm going to show you. Okay. I like the Grayscale Trust. Now, Ethereum just crashed hard today. It was up here. The trust was up here at 42, and now it's down here at 24. I picked a little bit up of that today. I picked a little bit up. Okay, could it come down here to 14? Absolutely it can. But it's sitting right here on an upward sloping 50-day moving average with all the exchanges today, the Coinbase, the BitNex, a lot of the exchanges, they're broken. You can't get in, you can't get out. You're frozen in time. You can't do business with them. That's why I like these Grayscale Trusts. They're easy to get in, easy to get out of. Okay, so I picked up a little Ethereum today. Ethereum's down around 2,400 today. 2,400, that was just above 4,000 just a week ago? It's come down hard. Okay, same with Bitcoin. Now we talked about this just on Monday. You can go back and look at what we talked about. Sitting here, the Bitcoin Trust, the GBTC, was sitting here at 35. I said it's got more to come in. And now it's sitting right on this 200-day. But what's the 200-day doing? Well, it's sloping upward. It's actually a little below the 200-day. 29.46. I bought some today. I think this is an opportunity. Now, can it come in more? Oh, yeah. I'll be buying more at 25. It could. I could see Bitcoin coming into 30,000. Now, Bitcoin was just sitting, 63,000 just a few weeks back, maybe? Okay, 63,000, and now it's 35,000 today. Actually, 34. I think it hit a low, 32,000. But it's an opportunity. Now, why do I want to get into gold? Why do I want to get into Bitcoin? The reason is because of the printing of money, because of inflation. Okay, so when you print all this money, you're going to get inflation, right? Inflation. Now, if we're not careful, we keep printing the money, we're going to get hyperinflation. Now, what exactly is inflation? Well, it's the way they steal your money. I call it the Biden tax. Biden's going to print $6 trillion minimum this year. Now, he says he's not going to tax anyone that doesn't make over $400,000. But what's happening? Your goods and services are going up 10, 20%. This is a tax. This is the stealing of your money. And the more money they print, the more they take of your money. The dollar collapses. Did you see the dollar collapse yesterday? You just lost a lot of purchasing power. When you go to the gas station, does it cost you more and more to fill up your car? Well, I'm paying over $4 now out here in California. That's a lot. That's due to inflation. Food costs. Oh my goodness. If you go to the grocery store, you can see it. But if you go out to a restaurant, man, have they really spiked up the prices. I mean, I like chicken. I ordered chicken. Chicken's getting expensive. Inflation is here. We could get hyperinflation. But what inflation is the confiscation of your money. It's a tax that steal your money. Now, the government, they openly admit we're going to steal 2% of your money every year. Why do they want to do that? Why? Why do they want to steal your money? I don't know, but they're going to steal your money. And that's why you need to protect yourself. And I do think that Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation because it's out of the dollar system. I think gold and silver are a hedge against inflation because they're out of the dollar system. Your dollars are going to come in. Now, Bitcoin, I think, was in a little bit of a bubble. It got ahead of itself. Now, here, when it's down here at 35,000, I do think Bitcoin over time is going to rebound. And I do think it's going to get to $100,000. We're at 35,000. Now, can we come down to 20,000? Absolutely we can. We can go to zero, people. Zero. If the exchanges collapse and you can't get your money out, you might as well be at zero. If they do not fix the problem in these exchanges, which right now you cannot get your money out of Ethereum on many exchanges today. And this isn't even that big of a deal. I mean, yeah, it's down 30% in one day. Okay, I get that. Well, what if it comes down 80% in one day? Will they just close up and go home and steal your money? I'm telling you, that's why I like physical gold, physical silver, okay? Physical. It's what I like to hold. It's what I sleep good with. I sleep at night because I have physical. I don't need to worry about E-Trade crashing or Ameritrade crashing or Coinbase crashing. I don't need to worry about any of that. When I hold it, I own it. The others, they can close up shop tomorrow and say, hey, we're closed. And they got your money. Look at banks. Do I feel safe with the banking system? No, I do not. You should, I don't want to tell you what to do, but just be cautious. We're in very strange times. Everybody thinks everything's normal. People go and they put their head in the sand like there's no problem. I got news for you. We got big problems. When we're printing $6 trillion a year, we got inflation running out of control right now. We have big problems in the United States. Big problems. And there's no way out. Nobody wants to feel pain, so they're just going to keep crashing the dollar. They're going to burn the dollar. They're burning it to the ground. And I hate that. It's the wrong thing to do. But let's take a look at what else we got here. We got gold. Gold now breaking out. Look at what it's done in the last month. It's just going straight up. And now we're sitting comfortably above this 200-day moving average. Look at gold is just getting started. You know, people say, oh, Mike, you don't want to buy gold. That's at like record high. Well, it's actually not. It's about 1875. Its record high is 2100, okay? It's going to go way past 2100. It's going to hit 5,000. Maybe 10,000. Some people are calling for 50,000 on gold. We're at 1875. We got a long runway ahead. Now, can it come back in? Absolutely it can. I hope it does. I want to buy some more. Now, silver, the same way. Silver. People tell me at silver, don't buy silver. It's too expensive. Let's take a look. Look at silver's had a nice run here, right? 22 up here at 26. Now, this is paper silver. Now, physical silver is about $28 an ounce. Now, is that expensive? I don't think so. Look, in 1980, the high price for silver was $50, and we're sitting at $28. You find me another commodity like that, please tell me what it is, because I want to buy it. I want to buy some more silver. Sure, we can come back down here to the 200-day moving average, but I will be a buyer at that point. Look, they're going to hit you hard. They're going to hit you with inflation. It's an inflation tax. It's a tax that's very expensive. Could tax 20% of all the stuff you purchase, and you're going to get a collapse of the dollar. You're getting that your dollars are just getting burned to the ground. That's why gold, silver, Bitcoin, these are places to be. And right now we have an opportunity in the Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin come down more from here? Absolutely it can, but Eventually, I think it's going to stabilize. I think it's going to stabilize, and then I do think we'll get that run up towards the $100,000 mark. But right now, it is a lot of pain in the crypto markets today. Oh my goodness! But here's what I did today. Okay, so I bought some Apple calls back here. Now I told you that a few podcasts back, few episodes back. And in 2 days, it shot up here. They doubled in price. My options doubled in price, so I took them off. But what happened here? Now, today we pulled back to the 200-day moving average. Now, one of the times I like to buy things when the 200-day moving average is sloping upward. And we're sitting right on the 200-day moving average again. I put the calls back on. I bought some Apple calls today. Yep, I could drop more. It could drop more. I'm not saying it's a lock. I'm not saying this is the end of the crash. But I'm saying I like it here. I bought some Apple calls today. That's what I did. I bought the Bitcoin Trust today. That's what I did. That's what I'm playing. You do what you want. These are just what I'm doing. I'm a gambler. I like this stuff. I think it's going to bounce off of it again. Maybe it comes in a little bit more tomorrow. It's very possible. But I bought the Apple calls today. I bought them a month out, so I got a month time frame. And I'll give them, hopefully I get a bounce, and hopefully they double. Maybe they'll double in 2 days again. That was fun. Love when things double in 2 days, but maybe I lose all my money too. That could happen. Absolutely could happen. But anyways, the Bitcoin, it's traumatic today for a lot of those holders. And I warned them. I said, the 60,000 not going to hold. It's just not. We're back here at 35,000. They lost almost half their money. I don't understand holders. Why do you hold things forever? Why? Why not sell them when they run up and then wait for the opportunity? There's always opportunities in the market. There's always going to be opportunities. You're not going to miss out. They think, oh no, I'm going to miss out. They got this phone. I got to get in now. It's going to $1 million. Well, that's their game plan. Everybody's got different ways of trading. I am a trader. I'd get in and get out. Anyways, today's opportunity day. Yeah, I think there's opportunities. I bought the Apple calls. I think that's an opportunity. I bought the GBTC, the Bitcoin Trust. I think that's an opportunity. We'll see if I'm right. I don't know if I'm right, but I am Tall Mike. I love this stuff. And hopefully you do too. If you really love it, hit the subscribe button. I don't have very many subscribers, but that's what gives me and you the opportunity to talk. We can talk like this. If you like what I'm saying, give me a thumbs up. It helps my algorithms. Maybe more people will catch on. Maybe some people will come and listen to me. Maybe you share the video. It'd be cool sharing the video. Wow, that'd be wild. Anyways, it's Wednesday. Have a happy Wednesday. Get out there and do some trading. I'm Tall Mike. We'll talk again real soon. Bye-bye now.